the dovetail or the fishtail mate, something that I covered in the endgame patterns. Please go and check it out if you just want to review and refresh your memory about it. If not, let me quickly explain it. There's a king, queen gives a check to the king along the diagonal, and the two squares the king can typically go to are the knight squares. But it can't go there because it's either controlled or blocked by its own pieces. Like in this particular puzzle, queen check, two knight squares, both blocked by black pieces, and it's a checkmate. That's your dovetail or fishtail. There are 3 more puzzles in Dovetail and 1 in Kozio's. Can you solve it? Give it a try. Go to your Leeches account, solve it. I know I'm sounding boring by repeating it again and again, but don't take it light. Practice makes perfect. And please go through the exercise to learn. Learning by doing is the best. Alright, same idea. King is here. 2 knight squares blocked. Being able to identify these patterns is one of the reasons why you can become a much better chess player. So all you need is the queen to give a check with the support of a bishop. That's checkmate number 2. Checkmate number 3. Do you see this? This is hard. This is not easy at all. Okay, so let's begin. How do you go about doing this? Because if you look at it, you really don't have the king moving around. A checkmate that's kind of popping out right away, right? So it begins with probably a check like this, and once he takes it, then you go about with the next check, which is actually a swallowtail. So the king moves to that particular square, and then you have a dovetail checkmate. Just when you think you have it, you're going to be losing the bishop, and now finally you get the dovetail checkmate. Alright, dovetail number 4. White to do the checkmate here. I do see a check. I thought so. All right. So this is a tricky one, isn't it? Dovetail number 4. That's so hard. That's so hard. That's an easy one. That's an easy one. Sometimes, it can get really complicated because considering it was like number 4, I was thinking of a really complicated one, but it wasn't. It was just about trying to figure out a diagonal check with the rook support, and you know that these 2 squares are controlled by the bishop here. So that's dovetail number 4. Hope you got it. Kozio's mate. So very, very similar to the dovetail, but it's just a 2-move checkmate here. First is this check, and once the king moves there, you have a checkmate going for you. That's how you win the game. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.